How to return Lazada items. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return Lazada items. First, open your Lazada application on your mobile device. Then, tap on Account from the bottom right corner. Now tap on View All My Orders. Here, you will find your orders, which you can easily return. Simply select the item you want to return and proceed with the return process. Alternatively, you can go back to the account and tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, tap on Help. On this page, you will find all the instructions to return your item. Simply select the reason for the return. Then, select the item you would like to return. You can return multiple items at once. Next, check the pickup or drop-off location. You may change the pickup or drop-off location and method for the return. Once everything is confirmed, tap on Submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.